Today I'd like to bring you update number 3 for the herbs I have grown for the Planet Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024. Oh yeah, it's update number 3, y'all. Let's get into it. Fam. We're gonna start down here with the old fast fennel. Check out, y'all. Yeah, old fennel's looking good, y'all. That digestive aid, fennel. It's looking pretty good. Move right along, y'all. We're gonna go to old beautiful basil. Check out basil, y'all. Yeah, that detoxifying herb, basil. Basil's looking pretty good. Check her out. Next up, y'all, we have old lavender. Yeah, we have old lovely lavender. You know that anti-fatigue, anti-anxiety herb. She's looking pretty good. Next up, y'all, we have old scintillating sage. Yeah, check out sage. Sage looks nice. Yeah, she looks nice, y'all. We'll run along, family. We have parsley. The parsley's looking pretty good. And you know I've been on the struggle bus with old spearmint. But check out who decided to show up to the party, y'all. It's spearmint. I see green, fam. Check it out. Yeah. Next, we have oregano, the antiviral, antibacterial, and an anti-inflammatory herb. It's oregano, y'all. Got to thin that out pretty soon, fam. Check it out. And we have cilantro. Yeah. Check out cilantro. Cilantro showing out, fam. Next, we have that blood pressure regulator, y'all, that marjoram. Marjoram's looking pretty good. Yeah, she's looking pretty good. And finally, fam, we have chives. Yeah, we've been on the struggle bus with the chives, y'all, but I see green, fam. Check it out. Yeah. So just to wrap it up, we had a majestic marjoram. Chives have joined the party. We had a lovely lavender. We had a beautiful basil. We had an old fast fennel, y'all. Had the scintillating sage. You know, pretty parsley. Check out that spearmint, fam. Yeah. And oregano. We have old cilantro. So those are the herbs that I've grown for the Planet Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024. This is update number 3, y'all. Family, I appreciate all the support. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.